Got a DOD file from the classic web shooter Day of Defeat? This contains game data for the Half-Life mod and Source remake. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Day of Defeat game files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized DOD tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. A DOD file contains game data for Day of Defeat, a team-based first-person shooter by Valve set in World War II. These files store crucial game assets, such as maps, 3D models, textures, or sounds. Gamers and modders interact with these files to customize the game or troubleshoot installation issues. The DOD file is typically a package or archive format specific to Valve's GoldSrc or source game engines. It's a binary container designed to bundle multiple assets together for efficient loading by the game engine. This structure prevents easy user modification and optimizes performance by reducing disk I/O during gameplay. The reference software for validating DOD integrity is Day of Defeat from Valve Corporation. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows cannot decode engine-level structures, so examining game files requires specialized tools. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the DOD file and select Open With. If Day of Defeat is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If you are still having trouble opening the DOD file, do not worry. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the DOD file. First, loading via Steam. Install Day of Defeat or Day of Defeat source through Steam. The game launcher automatically locates DOD files in the appropriate game directory, typically under Steam Apps Common. Launch the game from Steam and DOD Content Loads as part of normal gameplay or map loading. Next, using Source SDK tools. For map files, install the Source SDK or Hammer editor through Steam. Open Hammer and load DOD map files for editing or inspection. The toolset supports modification of game content, following Day of Defeat source specifications, enabling community map development and customization. Finally, browsing with GCFScape. Use GCFScape, a free utility to browse and extract content from source engine package files which may contain DOD assets. Open VPK or other archive files associated with Day of Defeat to inspect maps, models, and other resources for analysis or modding purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.